dear students, very good morning all of you. Here I am going to proceed further the third part of the video, that is characteristics of sound. In the previous lecture we have studied about wave, types of waves and characteristics of wave. Now we are moving on the what characteristics of sound, as we have understand there. Sound is a what wave, similar as a wave. Which type of wave it is? It is a longitudinal wave, okay, and mechanical wave. Thereafter, we are moving on the topic sound and its characteristics. It is a form of energy which gives us sensation of hearing. Okay, now the characteristics of sound we are going to encounter. That is, first, pitch or shrillness, loudness and quality or timbres. Dear, how we identify this sound is of my mother, this sound is of my brother, okay, who is which singer, this sound is of which singer, okay, how you identify it? It means there is just some quality, there is just some characteristics which gives your mind recognition about the sound. Okay, that is the valuable characteristics of sound that we are going to encounter here. Okay, first we will understand pitch or shrillness of the sound. Pitch is the characteristics of sound which gives us what determination of sound. It is shrill or flat. Flat. I am giving you an example of flat sound. How are you? This is a flat sound. How are you? This is a shrill sound. Frequency is higher in shrill sound, while flat sound frequency is less. It depends on the frequency, pitch of the sound and shrillness of the sound. Depends on the frequency. There must be a question in your mind. What is frequency? Dear, understand it. Pitch and shrillness. Pitch is the characteristics of the sound. A pitch is the quantity which gives us a characteristics of sound. Okay, that how much it is shrill or flat. That how much it is shrill or flat. Okay, just come to the point. Pitch is the quality of sound which gives us what identification about the shrillness and flatness of the sound. Okay, now I am going to encounter. And pitch depends on the frequency of sound. Pitch depends on the frequency of sound. Here, frequency of sound. What is frequency of sound? Okay, if a sound wave is traveling like this, do you understand? If the sound wave is traveling like this, okay, so if sound wave is traveling like this, how many waves it is forming in a particular one second, which is called as frequency. How many waves it is forming? Okay, if it is forming 3 waves, 3 complete waves, starting from here, 1 positive, 1 negative, 1 positive, 1 negative. It is 1 wave. 1 positive, 1 negative. It is the second wave. 1 positive, 1 negative. It is the third wave. Means frequency here, if f is equal to number of waves formed by sound. Okay, number of complete oscillation done by sound in particular second is called as frequency. Frequency is the characteristics of sound which determines the pitch and shrillness of the sound. Pitch and the shrillness of the sound. Do you understand? If a sound has a higher frequency, it means it has a high pitch, high shrillness. Okay. more shrillness. And if a sound has a low pitch means flat, means low frequency, means frequency determines the pitch and shrillness of the sound. Dear, my voice means everyone, male's voice is a flat sound, okay, low frequency sound, while female voice is a high frequency sound, that is high pitched sound. Okay, so in day-to-day examples you may understand, कोई भी गर्ल्स का जो साउंड होगा वो पतला होगा, श्रिल होगा, हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी होगा. जो आप मेल्स का साउंड सुनेंगे वो क्या होगा, फ्लैट होगा, लाउडनेस होगा, उसमें फ्लैट होगा, फ्रीक्वेंसी लेस होगा. सो दिस हाउ वी विल अंडरस्टैंड ऐसा यूनिट ऑफ frequency formula just 1 upon time period. How it comes 1 upon time period, we are understanding. As we know that in t time period, one oscillation taken by the any wave, if it is completing one oscillation in t time period, one oscillation in t time. So in 1 second, how much oscillation it is doing? 1 upon t. This is called frequency of sound or frequency of wave. In 1 second, how much oscillation is done by any wave is called as frequency of that wave. So if it is sound, how much oscillation, how much complete wave form in a particular second is called as frequency. Its unit is second inverse. That is called hertz. That is called hertz. Hz. Okay. Hertz. SI unit of sound is hertz. Sorry, SI unit of frequency, not sound. SI unit of frequency. Okay. It is hertz. Dear, I hope that you get an idea about this. Pitch depends on the frequency. If it is high pitched sound, means it has a high frequency. If it is low pitched sound, means that it has low frequency. For example, dear, roar of a lion. Roar of a lion is a flat sound. Okay, it is a low pitched sound, low frequency it has. Voice of a female is a high pitched sound. Okay, there is a shrillness in sound. Patla hota hai wo sound. Okay, this is how we. If you are beating drum, that is a low pitch sound. Okay, it is a less frequency. Okay, now we are moving to the next topic. That is pitch and frequency related to the instrument, musical instrument. Musical instrument, dear, basically according to arrangement of the musical instrument is divided into, categorized into 2 parts, 3 parts. You may take 3 parts. That is string instrument and wind instrument, and another is precision instrument. Okay, so in string instrument, those instruments in which there is a string means tar laga hota hai, tar. Okay, string. That's why if you plug that in string, stuck that in string, the sound is produced. Guitar, violin. Okay, this veena, these all are the string instrument in which you just with your finger, in guitar with your finger, just what? Plug the wires, strings of the guitar, and the sound is produced. Okay, so this types of instrument is called as stringed instrument. Okay, frequency depends length, thickness and tightness of the string. आप देखते होइएगा गिटार जो भी बजाते होंगे वो क्या करते हैं? What they do? They always tight the strings of the guitar. Okay, वो उसको टाइट करते रहते हैं. ठीक है. ठीक है, टाइप करने के दौरान अगर टूट जाए तो उसमें जो वायर्स लगे होते हैं, जो स्ट्रिंग्स लगे होते हैं, दैट इज सो थिन, वो बहुत पतला होता है, मोटा नहीं लगा सकते, मोटा लगाएंगे इफ इट इज थिक द साउंड प्रोड्यूस विल बी वेरी कोर्स, ओके, बेकार हो। सो फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय दैट इंस्ट्रूमेंट डिपेंड्स ऑन द लेंथ ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग, कि आपका लेंथ कितना बड़ा है स्ट्रिंग का, थिकनेस एंड टाइटनेस ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग, तीन क्वांटिटी पे डिपेंड करता है, स्ट्रिंग के लेंथ पे, स्ट्रिंग के थिकनेस पे और स्ट्रिंग के टाइटनेस पे, ओके। द शॉर्टर, थिकर एंड थिनर, ओके, सॉरी, द शॉर्टर, टाइटर एंड थिनर साउंड, thinner string has a high frequency, okay, it has a high frequency, okay, so they produce high frequency means आप गिटार या आपके पास कोई भी चीज है ऐसा स्ट्रिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट जिसमें वायर को पतला होगा, ठीक है, लंबा होगा, दूर तक, छोटा नहीं हो सकता, तो अगर आप छोटा जितना बनाएंगे उतना ज्यादा स्ट्रिंग साउंड, क्योंकि आपको फ्लैट साउंड भी प्रोड्यूस कराना रहता है तो आप लेंथ बढ़ाते हैं, ओके। सो आपका जितना लंबा होगा उतना फ्लैट साउंड, जितना शॉर्टर होगा उतना हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी साउंड, उतना स्ट्रिंग साउंड प्रोड्यूस करेगा, ओके। सो आप क्या कीजिए, लेंथ को शॉर्टर बनाइए, इफ यू आर मेकिंग द स्ट्रिंग्स ऑफ द लेंथ शॉर्टर, tighter, thinner, the string then the high pitched sound is produced. High pitched sound means the string has a high frequency, and it will produce a high pitched sound. Now come to the wind instrument. Wind instrument are such an instrument in which wind blow. We will blow wind, हवा फूंकते हैं, and the sound is produced is called as wind instrument, okay. It has a air columns. इसके पास क्या होते हैं, जैसे wind instrument में अगर हम वायलिन ले लेते हैं तो उसमें हम लोग एयर कॉलम्स होते हैं, एक वैकेट पाइप होता है, वैकेट पाइप जिसमें एयर फिल्ड होता है, ओके, और उस एयर को हम डिस्टर्ब करते हैं बाय ब्लोइंग द एयर फ्रॉम आउटर साइड, and this vibrates the air molecules over there and produce sound, okay. So which vibrates and produce sound when air is blown into them, उसमें हवा. So the frequency of the wind instrument depends inversely proportional to length of air columns. Means air columns आप बहुत ज़्यादा बनाते हैं, means length of the what इंस्ट्रूमेंट बहुत इंक्रीज कराते हैं, then frequency will be less. So if how much the shorter length is, how much higher pitched sound will produce. जैसे whistle, that is a very small device. Whistle is a very small device, but sound produced by a whistle is very high frequency, because its length is small. So frequency is high. Next is percussion instrument. Percussion instrument जैसे तबला. Percussion instrument is a musical instrument which is a hollow sphere inside, hollow, okay, and over the open side we put our skin, okay, leather skin, which is thin and tightened, and if you beat the skin, the vibration of skin on the open side will produce sound. This is called percussion instrument, okay. Thinner the skin, okay, and smaller the skin will produce high frequency, while thicker and bigger the area of skin will produce low sound. You might have seen tabla. There is two tabla. तबला वादक जो होते हैं, दो तबला नहीं, एक छोटे सरफेस एरिया वाला, एक बड़े सरफेस एरिया वाला. तो आप छोटे सरफेस एरिया वाला को बीट करते हैं. इफ यू बीट द स्मॉलर सरफेस एरियाज तबला, तो वो हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी, हाई पिच्ड साउंड प्रोड्यूस करता है. जबकि जो बड़े वाले सरफेस एरिया वाले को बीट करेंगे तो लो पिच, फ्लैट साउंड प्रोड्यूस होता है. I hope you get it clear. In the next class, we will meet you with the next topic. Okay, thank you. Bye.